Hello everyone, so I'm just in Dollar Tree right now, and as soon as I walked in I noticed that the area for the Halloween items are kind of restocked. So there's like these items here, witches hats. I'm really loving the little boo. And then they have some, oh my goodness, look at these stickers. I think I'm gonna have to grab a couple packs. So just gotta, these are so cute. All right, so these are gonna come home with me, and then I have to reach in here and see what else. Oh, these are cute too. All right, so I'm gonna grab these, but I'm gonna just have to pull them off the peg. And there's a couple items up top. Oh, and little packs of spiders, someone was asking. And these are not sold out as fast as I thought they'd go. These are felt little cats, so cute. Lots of new Halloween things. Look at this. These are really oh dear, that one's broken. These are really popular. This one looks like he's embarrassed, doesn't he? So cute. Oh, okay, so there's the eyes, the mouth, and the, yeah, eyes, mouth, and ears. So cute. And lots of orange pumpkins. I actually have to grab a couple because I have some DIYs. Oh my goodness, I didn't think I was gonna find this one. It even comes with an LED light, and it's so heavy. I'm so excited, and they still have a ton of fall items. Lots of new Halloween decor, little skeletons. Aren't they cute? And these you can repurpose, like you can unwind them and then just wrap them in twine, and you have a brand new piece of decor that matches you. Maybe something you have a little more neutral colors in your home. And they have lots of signs here. Of course, you can always, oh my gosh, these are new. I didn't see these last year. I wonder what I could do with them. Maybe put them on glassware or something like that, I guess. They have glow-in-the-dark ones. The little witch is cute, isn't it? And I love these signs. Really like them. I don't think I'll spend very much time filming the fall stuff. It's in my other videos, and they just keep refilling the shelves. Oh, a little black Christmas tree with the little ornaments. Oh my gosh. Seriously, these days, we keep getting spoiled with the things that we are able to buy here. These lanterns are so cute too, but they are paper. These are going to sell so fast because they're the squishy toys, and there's a little ghost. So cute and squishy, the little cat. What else? Oh, the little candy corn. Okay, that's got to be probably my favorite. And I'm right into the ghosts this year. Not staying. Anyways, aren't they cute? Which one would you buy? And the little lights. So many fun things. Oh, these would be beautiful to use as wrap around a pumpkin with the spider prints. Cute little treat containers. And they're nice size too, so you can put a nice candy bar in here. And anyways, I have ideas like this too. You can fill it with a nice candy bar and a few little loose things if you have some specials in your life. Has anyone tried these LED projector lights? I keep eyeing these and thinking I'm gonna buy one and cut them up and use them as little pieces, but then I leave them behind. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a motion censored witch. I love it. I walk up and down and I still miss things, so here we are with the little socks. And I know some of you really love the Halloween or the seasonal prints, So there are a few options here, lots of colors, and it looks like they were just put out. Well, this is a nice size spider, and you can actually transform it into a piece of decor. And they have some more Halloween items kind of hanging along the front to give you an idea of what's available. I can't get in here very easily, but I did notice when I walked up, this was the window display. So there are some things here that are not available in the store. I really did think I had filmed everything from the fall display. And here we are with some new items. What are you doing with these beautiful truck prints? Are you gluing them down on wood? Is that something that's an option? This is pretty thick vinyl, but they do have some frames. I know some of you are looking for the leaf frames. They do have the pumpkin ones as well here. And then the little fairy garden items, of course. Anyways, just a quick run through. I have gone through this area in a lot more detail in the past, but there are some new items here that I didn't see before. So here's the, oh, and the little red truck if you are looking for it. Check this out. This is amazing. I've actually been looking for something like this for years that was, budget friendly, I guess. And this is perfect. And I think the color will be okay in my craft room. But look, I just walked past here, didn't notice this, walk back around as I'm filming. And that's why it's so important to take your time when you're at Dollar Tree. So they go like this, they stack, and they're just pen holders. I have 4 in my cart, and I'm just thinking here to myself, am I going to regret not buying some more? But I think 4 will be enough. These are all the pretty florals that this store is carrying, which I'm really impressed with the variety because this is a beautiful, just a beautiful selection. Really well stocked. There's lots of sunflowers. I was never one to really check out the party supplies. Like I usually have, I do reuse a lot and repurpose them over the years. And so I always find now that there's something new. Like, look at these cake toppers. There's gotta be silver. Yeah, there's silver in here as well. It's hard to see, but yeah, I'm so impressed with their selection. Oh my gosh, yes. I've been looking for these for months, since probably March. I'm so happy 3 of them are coming home with me. They're amazing. They work really well. Actually, I just used a few of these kits with my daughter and her friend, and they worked so beautifully that the girls were asking for more colors. So they're gonna grab, I think this one, well, they kind of have a mix of colors, but anyways, I'll figure it out. Disposable apron, but yeah. So it worked really well, and I actually filmed it. I'll post it on the channel. They are fully stocked again with yarn. For a little while, this wasn't that well stocked. There were only a few baskets filled, but now we're back to having, you know, all the different colors. This would be really nice if you wanted to boho theme a pumpkin. That's a nice size craft square felt and pretty whites. So you can combine that with the two maybe. I'm not sure, but yeah, you could braid, you know, the yarn and then, or you could use this fuzzy one and line it up around, give it a sweater look, like it's wearing a fuzzy sweater. Lots of ribbon. You can add a special little ribbon if you find like a fall theme color. Well, these are cute roses. They're fairly new here. So here are some wreath frames, and then they have the pumpkin one up in the fall section. Looks like someone was trying to design a tier tray. One thing I have noticed is this store in particular hasn't been receiving very many novels. And then another store I visit is fully loaded with a big bin filled. So just be mindful of that when you're walking around the different stores. They'll have different things. Thank you to those who actually reminded me of the name. So it's called Steampunk. Steampunk, the ephemera that these stickers are a resemblance of. And it also gives me a really like Tim Holtz feel, like the vibe from them. They have that vintage Tim Holtz feel. And are you into these types of stickers? Quickly go down the stationery because this time of year, even though back to school kind of has already come, and a lot of things are sold out. I still feel like sometimes, correction tape, where the heck does this go? I still feel like sometimes new items, oh here, oh no, sorry. So anyways, I feel like some new things still make an appearance because they might have been in the back room or whatever it might be, or they kind of arrived late. So I always still keep an eye out because, yeah, anyways, that's just me. And I'm always looking at stationery. Who are we kidding? Constantly looking at stationery all year round, but specifically around this time of year, that's when you're getting some really great finds. Like, look at these Papermate packages, right? So there are a ton of new Christmas things that are out on display. These are beautiful. So well done. This one reminds me like a cabin or a ski cabin or cottage. Cute little mini bows. These ornaments are really popular and they'll go really quick. These just look like they were put out, so they're fully stocked. Lots of ribbon, some more deco mesh. Not really. I mean, I don't mind this ribbon, but I feel like it's kind of last year's print. And these are cute. Little snowballs. There's a larger and the smaller ones. I have to think about that. I don't know if I need them. Foam scatter, I think that would be pretty. There's a variety pack of different colors. I actually like the white and silver better. They had little balls with the red truck a few weeks ago when I came in and I filmed it for you, but it looks like they might be sold out. And the snow globes, lots of wood cutouts, ornament shaker fill, or you can use it for shaker pockets when you're a crafter. Same with this beautiful filler. I think I'm going to grab this. I just love it. So pretty. So pretty. If I was a seller of these little elves, this would have been my lucky day. My lucky day. And aren't they the cutest? I love how they've put little costumes on them. I'm going to break up part 2 of the Dollar Tree walkthrough because I was just in there for a very long time, and I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the DIY using the kits from Dollar Tree, the t-shirts from Dollar Tree, and also the die kit is from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed walking around Dollar Tree with me today, and until next time everyone, bye for now. Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.